Hello everyone, I'm back with a screen protector video for the Google Pixel Watch 3. This watch, I definitely need a screen protector on because I'm very good at destroying watches. So I wanted to get at least some protection on it. So I picked this up on Amazon. It's from Tauri. See that there? It's Tauri 2-pack hard case Pixel Watch 3 screen protector. It says it's tempered glass, and it was $9.99 for a 2-pack there. I got the clear. They have different options there, so you can get black or clear and black. The difference, I guess, would just be the outside housing. Yeah, okay, so there's like one clear and one's black. So it just depends what your preference is. Since I have the green or hazel watch, I just went ahead and got the clear one. So let's go ahead and check it out. This is for the Google Pixel Watch 3, and this is 45 millimeter. So it tells you, how to install it there. I already watched the video, so let's go ahead and again, for the Google Pixel Watch 45 millimeter. So inside the box, you get 2 screen protectors here. So it looks like some dust absorber. You can go ahead and scan that to see how to install it. And it looks like get some wipes too, and a little wipey there. So we'll go ahead and take those out in a minute. Yeah, so there's those things there, and then we got the screen protectors themselves. There's 2 of them, so they're both the same. They should be the same there. Yeah, I'm just I can't not have something to protect this. The Apple Watch can handle it, but not this one. Well, not the Apple Watch Ultra can because it's sapphire glass. Okay, so there you go. You can peel that part off. And let's install it here. I had any Apple Watch that I've got that is not stainless steel, I have destroyed them just working, doing whatever, working with some tools. I'm just pretty hard on my watches, so this is not, it's not an option to not have some kind of protection, especially for glass that isn't somehow has like sapphire or something in it, just something to protect it a little bit more. So here's the watch. I'll do actually a battery update on the watch in a separate video. So you just wipe that down there, and you can just do this here. Okay, that should be good. And then to go ahead and get any dust off of it, I can see a little dust particle there. It's funny, these little things often create dust, I think, but there's that. So just go ahead and kind of do that there. Okay. And then it says to peel off the back portion here and install it with this portion first. Whoops. The side where the little knob is there, so the button there. And then pop it this way. So there you go. And it's supposed to be cool. Let me go ahead and put my thingy in there. And yeah, everything's working good. So you can see I've been kind of not doing too much today in terms of the steppage. So I need to step that up, so to speak. No notifications. You can see all the stuff there. So yeah, it's good. So everything is working fine. It does offer, again, some protection there. It feels like plastic to me. But it says it's tempered glass. This is how it looks on the side. It doesn't look too bad. I'm not a big fan of this, but again, if you're somebody who works, and you have a Pixel Watch, the Pixel Watch is on par with like the base level Samsung, right, Galaxy watches. So like the base Model 7. It's not on par with the Ultras. If it's not a stainless steel or titanium Apple Watch or an Ultra Apple Watch, just a regular Apple Watch, that's the quality of like the glass here. I might have already gotten some scratches on it. I was looking at it real closely. I've only had it for a couple of days, but this is a must for me, or else my screen will get all scratched up. It's just what's going to happen. So if that's how you are, and you're hard on your watches, or you just want some with some extra protection, this looks pretty good. So I would definitely recommend it. Now, 2-pack for $9. It's better that this thing gets scratched up. You can just switch them out than have your screen get all scratched up. So, it is what it is. Okay, I just want to share that quick video with you. Again, it's from Tauri, and you can pick it up on Amazon for 2-pack for $9.99. And yeah, that's it. All right, I'll put the link in the description. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hope you're well. Hope your family's well.